today is one of our latest additions to the Galencia development. Today I'm standing in front of a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, and I'm going to give you guys a tour. Let's take a look inside. This is a really spacious apartment. You can just walk in, drop your things, and relax. The 3-bedroom apartments are 136 square meters, and every apartment comes with a built-in fridge. Check out all the groceries I have. And every apartment comes with a built-in dishwasher. Oh guys, I got these really cool crystal wine glasses. Cool, right? And every cupboard is soft-closed cupboard, under anti-scratch. Let's get into the living room. My favorite time of the day is when I can turn on the TV. Sit back and relax. And if you love hosting parties or you're wanting to entertain others, you have this lovely patio and a garden back here. And when it's bedtime, choose from one of your 3 bedrooms. But for me, my favorite is the master suite for a crazy night sleep. Oh, and you get this really cool walk-in closet. And this is where I keep all my watches. Oh, look at the time. I'm actually supposed to meet up with some friends in the clubhouse. But before I go, I've got to freshen up. Every apartment comes with this cool signature mirror. But because I have to freshen up, that means you guys have to go. Oh hey guys, I was actually getting ready to go to the clubhouse, but you might notice that a few things have changed here. I can't wait to get back later and jump into this bed. The master bedroom is my favorite. Hey, this way. Oh, finally, you're here. If I wasn't planning on seeing my friends in the clubhouse, I would have hosted them here on my gorgeous balcony. Some days I prefer to stay at home and just catch up on my favorite series. Oh wait, my friends texted me. Let me see how far they are. Oh, and before I leave, let me just pack these snacks away. Oh, did you want to come with me? So this is the clubhouse, and we might take a dip later. This is a nice place to just come and hang out with your friends. My friends are actually here, so that means we'll see you next time.